welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here. In today's video I have a cosmic unboxing festival edition, hence the makeup. I thought let's just go a little bit crazy with the glitter. What do you guys think? Inspired by Free the Tomatoes, thank you Janine. But this is from Cosmic. It is a, what is it? It is a festival, like, essentials box, I would say. So I'm going to a place called Electric Ave. Well, not a place. It's a festival in Christchurch, New Zealand. I'm going in February. I'm so freaking excited. And Cosmic will be there with a glitter stand and everything. So pretty sure you'll be able to get these products there as well. But if not, you can go to their website, www.cosmicnz.co.nz, and you can get a whole bunch of stuff for the festival, including some stuff that's in here. I'm so excited. I don't actually know what's in here. I've just read the front card, which is for me, but look how freaking cute this box is. It is so cute. Like, thank you so much, team at Cosmic. This is freaking adorable. Alright, so I can already see sequined glittery things. So it says, hey, festival season is upon us, and Electric Ave is fast approaching where our glitter station, which was a big success last year, will be making a comeback. We've sent you a few items from our glitter menu to try. Cosmic face jewels in silver, green, and holographic, and some singles. 3 lit glitters, Hawaii 5.0, California Soul, and Roxy Roller. All of which will be featured in our glitter station, so you'll find all of them in the glitter station as well. Then you have Sugarpill Lipgloss, Swipe Left, and Loose Eyeshadow Penelope with a Fidelity Sequin Fanny Pack to carry all your festival needs. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I love the little purple paper. Yes, alrighty. Wow, okay. There's a lot of things in here. Alright, let's pull this wee little, oh, what am I dropping there? Oh, little bits of paper. Hi. Alright, so we've got here the festival glitter menu here. So we've got glitter brows, glitter eyes, highlights, glitter parting, chest jewels, face jewels, and a glitter beard, and all the prices there. So that's what you can get at Electric Ave. Oh my god, that's so freaking exciting. Sneak peek, hi. Alrighty, so let's start with our wee little bum bag. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. And I love that there's actually just glitter in there as well. So it is Fidelity bags. And this is the mermaid one. Oh my god, yes, because I am a mermaid. Hi. Oh my, ooh. Hang on, I'm like, flip it this way and you've got a nice, like, matte black. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is fancy. And then it feels very big as well, because it's got all this paper stuffing on the inside. But, oh, and then we've got a wee sticker, yes, to add to the collection, and that is the inside there. So it's a nice big area that you could smush everything into, I guess. Alright, so now we have some of the jewels here. We've got a whole bunch. So this one here is the, what one is this one here? So we've got this one here. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. I'm like, look at all these gems. Oh my god, little teardrops. That's so freaking cute. Then we have, oh, little silver surfer here. Hi, what's up? And then we have, oh, look at this one. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love the little teardrops. I think that they're so cute. And then we have this one here. Oh my gosh. I think that's just supposed to be above the head there, because I don't think you'd imagine having that in your eyes. But that on your fucking forehead. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love that. Alright, and there's a whole bunch of cute colored paper. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, and I've got a little Lit Cosmetics brush. Hi. Then we have our Lit Cosmetics glitters here. So we've got this shade here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Shade Hawaii. Oh my god. How do I open you? You are stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are packaged so cute. Look at this. Just like a beautiful blue. That is stunning. Oh my god, love. It's lit. Hi. Then we've got shade, what one is this one? This is shade Roxy Roller. And oh my god, look at that deep, like, pinky purple. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Alrighty, and then, oh my god, I feel like I saved the best till last. Look how freaking stunning this color is. What is this? California Soul? Look at the reflex of that in that orange. That is stunning. Wow, I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do with them? And then we have one of our loose eyeshadows here. So we have got shade, ooh, glitter everywhere. This is shade Penelope. And this is her hair. Oh my god, it is a very dark bronze, very up my alley. I do love the kind of more natural tones. Oh, look at that copper color. That is stunning. I'm like, oh, look at that shimmer. Oh my gosh. Like, I'll put a bit more on. It's not translating on camera. There we go. Look at that. Oh, stunning. Hi, cutie. Alrighty, and then last but not least, we have the Love Bites Lip Gloss by Sugarpill. I didn't even know Sugarpill had lip gloss, so I'm really excited for this. This is in shade Swipe Left, so hi, gotta have you. Oh my gosh, I know I'm already gonna freaking love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna go on my lips now. That's so pretty. Let's put this on. Alright, I got. Hi. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. Oh! And then I've got two more of these little glitter brushes, which are so freaking cute. So the glitter brushes must come with the glitter. Everything in the Cosmic Festival box. Oh my god, I cannot wait to go there myself and see the glitter station in action. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. As you guys know, I love glitter. It is all over my freaking hands. Obsessed, obsessed. But oh my gosh, this stuff is so freaking cool. And you can fit it all in your freaking fanny pack. Don't forget, if you are going to festivals though, take a bottle of water with you. Stay hydrated, stay safe. And what you can also do if you're into a little bit of nose candy, they have testing kits at Cosmic as well, so you guys can stay super safe with all of your extracurricular activities. I don't judge you. You do what you want. But just thought I'd let you know that there's that as an option as well. But this is everything from Cosmic. Thank you so much, Cosmic, for this festival kit. I cannot wait to get it in action and to start using it. I'm so excited. This gloss I'm obsessed with. It's just like heightened my lip like stick. Oh, yes. So yes, thank you so much, Cosmic, who is ready for me to use this stuff. I don't know why I'm freaking yelling, but thank you so much. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the subscribe boxes. And until next time, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.